Hello guys, welcome back. I thought I would stop in today and teach you how to search and how to find different projects. Everybody can have those days where they can't figure out what they want to cut. They go through this lull where they can't figure out what they want to do, what they want to play with, and everybody gets it, including me. Also, when you're searching for things, if you don't know where all to look, there's so many different ways to search. So let's get into looking for things. This is the first site that when you come in here, this is the home page. There's different projects in here. This one is recommended for you thing. I don't know that it's any different on anybody's page, but what they do is they have, if you're looking to make a card, if you have a wedding, if you have a baby shower, if you want a t-shirt or something for your pet, you can find categories here that you can look at. Like here's like cards, but it's not just for that. They have all kinds of different projects in here that you can do. Different things that you can, like see here, decor, invitations. So there's a lot of different projects that you can come here and customize and do. So that's different. You can just kind of flip through here and just kind of see what all they have in here. There are so many different projects just by looking in this one way. There's the print and cut, and when you go into these categories, each one of these are broken down into different ones. Like this is watercolor. There's see more here that you can come, and these are print and cut. You can make stickers. You can make, use some of the iron-on, the printable iron-on, and make a t-shirt or something with some of these things. There is a positive printables, and this you make stickers or something to stick inside your kids' lunch boxes, or if you have a friend going through a rough time, or your husband or somebody may need something, you can make these little stickers. You can also put these on cards, or the possibilities are endless. Back to school, you can take some of these projects here and customize their lunch boxes, their pencil cases, make them a t-shirt. These are print and cut images here that you can print and cut and stick onto their books if you have kids that have to we used to have to cover our books, so I don't know if they still do or not, but that's a back to school category. These are different stickers. Guys, look at some of these. Look at this. Too stinking cute. The tractor's adorable too. So, there's just all kinds of different categories in here. Kind of the retro throwback look on this. Great outdoors. That is cute. So adventurous calling, you can go if you're looking for something with travel. If you're a scrapbooker and you've been to New York recently, make this sticker and stick it on your scrapbook. If you've gone to on a picture, took pictures and you have a frame, make something like this and stick it onto your frame. So let's go back up to the top. Go back. Let's go back to this home page. And go and scroll on down. There's lots of different things that are trending on social medias right now, different cards that you can make, simple stickers. This recently added to the community. This is things that people with Cricut have made that they can inspire. They've changed colors. They made different projects. They've done these things, so you can get ideas of maybe what you would like to do. Look, that's a cool card. You can make birthday, and you can get t-shirts, guys, for like $3 to $5. You can get sweatshirts for 12 to 15 and decorate them up. It's a lot cheaper sometimes doing your own than it is. These contributing artists right here, you can find somebody, like if you signed this Just Be You and you like her designs, you can click on this contribute arting. I'm already following her, and you come down and you can see these people have a lot of the same type of images. They design these things and put them in there for you to use. So you can go find different people that you like and that you would like to follow and just check out their projects. You don't necessarily have to follow anybody. So let's go on down. I just want to show you one or two more things on this one. Then we'll go look at something different. This one here, infusible ink, quick shirts for infusible ink. Guys, I used infusible ink for the first time with my granddaughter a couple of days ago. That stuff is so amazing. The color when you buy it doesn't look necessarily like it's going to be too dark or that you can't really, but when you print that stuff out, it is absolutely amazing. So definitely try some print and cut when you get it. I mean, not the print and cut. Infusible ink. You can put them on mugs. You can put on t-shirts. There's so many things. This is just glitter, things that say glitter. And these are different programs, you know, that they have coming up. So let's go up here. We're going to click on New Projects. Okay. I'm going to go to Images. When you come to Images, you come up here. There's a couple of ways. You can put in here things that you want to. I'm just going to put cat in here. You can put in here and it shows you different things that you can make. When you see this down here, means it's cut and drawn. The ears and the whiskers on the cat is actually drawn out, and then it's cut out that way. There is over here on the side. If you want a print and cut one, you can click on the print and cut category over here, and it shows you just different cut and print things that you want. If you're looking for something that just draws only, you can come over here and these will draw on something. Like if you have a canvas and you want something to print on, or if you want to make a card and, you know, like you want a child to be able to color something, like they can color this cat right here. So you click on this, print it out, and your child can color it. They also do have coloring pages in here specifically for that, for coloring pages. For adults, they have coloring pages for kids. Over here, you have different highlighted images. You have featured images, recently added. These are things that are just fairly new that they've put in here. You have the popular. You have free. So if you don't necessarily get design space and you want to see what's listed in the free, it's there. And then they have image sets. Image sets are really great. You can do a search on different image sets if you want to do, let's say, Halloween. And you click on here, and it's got all these different, and these things are more like folders. You can just go through them. There's tons of these different, I think there's over 700 different folders with different things. So this is another way that you can actually look for different things. So this is all different little, like the pumpkins, and there's all kinds of, if you're at Christmas or if you want a religious or different, all kinds of different things. You can find it here in this one here. If you want to make a Halloween shirt or a bag for your kids, you know, you can get the glow-in-the-dark or reflective vinyl, iron-on vinyl. Iron this on a bag. You can get a bag for a couple of dollars or so, and then you can actually make your child their own trick-or-treat bag or something. You can put this on a sign. This one right here, let's get wicked, or when witches go riding and black cats are seen, moon laughs and whispers, it's near Halloween. Put this on a sign, and again, they got reflective vinyl. Just put it out there, let it glow out there for you. So let's go back here. And so that was the image sets. Then they have by subjects, and they have all of these different subjects that you can click on, and it's just more of the, like, let's say this phrases here. You can also search phrases over here. But some of these like this, guys, you can put this on a t-shirt. You can make a card with this. And you know, you guys, you can use iron-on to iron on paper for cards. You know, so there's so many different ways that you can do this. So let's go back to category. There's home and garden. If you want to say, let's look at gardening. So if you know you want to make some signs or something, cooking and baking. If you want to do something for your kitchen, these are actually for mugs and cups. There's temperature meat guides. There is so many different, there's over 1,700 different things that you can put on here. If you're looking for, you know, the cute drawers to, you know, to decorate something up with, you know, they find things in there. There is transportation, workplace, just all kinds of different things. Over here underneath theme, they have cards, causes, celebration, holidays, organization, and season. So you can click on any one of these, like the cards. You can make a blank card if you want to see other cards. You can search in here for, let's say, birthday. And you can come down here, and it's got all of these different images and stuff in here that you can make your own card. But there's a football. If you want to have a Super Bowl party, you can customize this and put out invitations. There's this one here is you can make a card with this. You know, there's just tons of images. If you're having a birthday party and you want, there's, oh my God, look at this, happy birthday hot stuff. That's too much. All right, so let's get back over here and get busy. I'm sorry, guys. Organizations, it's got different stickers and different things that you can make to make your labels for your stuff. Then they have graphics. Under graphics, there's all kinds of, there's banners, letters, and numbers. You click under letters and numbers, click on the letters over here, and you can find all kinds of different types of letters that you can print, like this one here. And you can make a sign, a name. You can just cut it out, and it's got this pattern. If you make a card, all these different things that you can put on these things, and you can just scroll through here, just see what kind of fun letters they have. If you have a grandbaby, or you know somebody that's having a baby and you know what their name is going to be, you can print out their name in some of this fun lettering in vinyl, put it on their wall. And there's numbers. Dogs are barking in the neighborhood. Sorry, guys. So anyway, let's go back to categories, and under like decorative elements, there's all kinds of things. So just browse through these guys sometimes and just see what you can find that you might like. Over here you see they have Disney, Marvel, the different brands. These are not free, but once you get it, it's yours. So if you click under Marvel and like say you have somebody who likes the Hulk, you can click on this and buy this image. Let's add it to the canvas. You don't pay for it until you get ready to cut it. So you can come on here and play with it, see what you like. And it's been raining and storming here. Excuse my voice, guys. It's been storming and raining here a little bit, so my computer is trying to be a little bit slow. My internet's trying to be a little bit slow. Let's see if it's going to bring it up. If not, we'll just go back and... Okay, you know what? There it goes. So when you cut this, you can put somebody's name or some words under here and make this a shirt. This is the print and cut image. So again, if you have somebody dressing up for Halloween, or you just have a child who likes this, you can print this out and put it on something to... This back button right here, guys, best friend. Love this thing right here. Okay, let's go back to images. Go to category up at the top. Mandalas. Guys, there's so many things you can do with these mandalas. You can cut out like a stencil and do it on wood. They have balsa wood or basswood that you can buy at the stores, the thin ones, and I usually spray paint mine first, and then I have where I draw an image on and then paint it, or the kids can paint it and have fun. And it doesn't cost that much to be able to do it. As you can see, my internet is really slowing down. All right, you know what? We're going to have to... I'll do another video on this later on, but you can just kind of come in here and just kind of see what all you can find in here to play around with. Let's just try one more time, see if I can get something to come up. Click free, and let's just see if it comes. Maybe if I lessen the load it's looking for. Nope, it's not going to have any free ones. Oh, that's kind of funny. Oh, there we go. Now we got some. So you can cut this, like this one here. Let's add this to the canvas. We're gonna get rid of this one. Okay. You can take this, and this is a cut file, and so you can come up at the top and you can change the color. You got somebody that really likes purple or blue, and you can change the color and then cut it out. You can cut this out in paper put it on a card. When you come up here to the top under operation, you can, if you have a Cricut Maker, this will engrave it, like if you want it on a keychain. You can put it on pen and draw it out, like I said, on paper and let your child color it. You can put it, have pen and draw it on, I use a marker and I draw it on basswood after I have spray painted it, like using it off-white or something, and then I draw this on there, and then it's able to be colored in. And you can change the colors of this and it'll draw it in whatever color. You can foil, you want it medium, and this will put the foil like on a card or something. So you can also do, I'll show you guys how to do it one day, but you can put this on a canvas and do a hot mess canvas, that's what it's called. So you can do a hot mess canvas. You can come under phrases. There is so many different phrases, so if you want to come up here and say Christmas, I'm in that Christmas, Halloween kind of thing because I start working in the middle of the year for different projects. So you can come up here and look under this and look under Christmas, and you can make these things, guys, into stickers. You can make your own what's it called? Tags for your gifts. You can just, let me see if we can find one. One year, guys, I had three kids, and they kept looking through the presents and trying to figure out whose is whose, and they get one and they start shaking and wanting opening it. So what I did one year is I just made different things, like say this was for one, this is for one, and maybe something else. And you, instead of writing names on it, you just pop those stickers on there. They don't know whose is whose, and it just drives them up the wall. It was so much fun. This one here, look, this one here, I'm going to add this to the canvas. This one here, when you see those people making the porch signs on the, like they put on the wall on the outside, guys, you can, it has this in there too. You can make these signs. And what you do is you paint both sides. You cut this out in vinyl, or if you want to make a stencil out of it and put it on your sign, like if you're going to make this a stencil, make it a stencil, paint, and then on the other side of the wood, make another one. Say if you want one for 4th of July, if you want for Halloween, or whatever you want. Guys, the possibilities are endless, and anybody can do this. So what I wanted to let you know is I am 60 years old. I just turned 60 recently. And when I did, I started doing YouTube videos. And after that, I decided my mother-in-law, the church she goes to always has fundraisers where they try to get people, they have the auctions and different things. So I decided I'm going to make card packs for her so that they can auction them off. I'll just donate it to them. And then I decided, I could put that on an Etsy shop. So I started my Etsy shop. And the point to the story is, guys, you can do anything. It doesn't matter how old you are, how young you are. I have grandkids as young as 7. Now they don't know how to use Design Space, but they're learning. And I have my granddaughter who is 11 that just got all the Cricut stuff set up for her last Christmas, and she loves it. She likes doing iron-on, and she likes doing the cards right now. That's what she's kind of into. She uses it for her school projects last year. So it doesn't matter your age. It doesn't matter how much time you have. Just take time, 10, 15 minutes, if you only have 30 minutes, whatever you have, and just sit down and start exploring the images that you like. Save your images, save your projects. That way when you do have time, you know what's out there, you know what it's like. If there's any certain project or something you need help with, you'd like to see a video on, please leave that down in the comments below. I hope you guys have liked this video. I hope it helps you out a lot. And if you have not subscribed, I would really appreciate you guys subscribing to the video. Share it with your friends. Share it with people you know. And guys, just make something. You can do it. Everybody can. There's no mistakes. It's just all embellishing opportunities. You guys have a great evening, and I will talk to you guys soon. I'll be putting another video out. Take care, guys. Bye.